Hello, my dear students. Welcome in another video lecture of our economic etymology paper. In this video lecture, we will talk about the household pest bed bug. So, what is the bed bug? Bed bug is a common household pest which is also called as khatmal in common language. The diagram of bed bug. So, first we will talk about the morphology of a bed bug. Bed bugs are minute sized insects which are having piercing and sucking type of mouth parts. They are actually blood suckers, and they are found in beds at the night time. That's why they are also called as bed bugs, or they are commonly called as bed bugs. Bedbugs are actually hemipteran insects which sucks blood, and they are having an offensive odor which is sometimes can also be a signal of their infestation. Uh, Bedbugs are ectoparasite for number of birds and number of mammals. So they are ectoparasites of apes and mammals, we can say. This is the diagram before blood sucking, and after blood sucking they are just swollen up, and they look a bit swollen. You can just observe here before द ब्लड सकिंग फ्लैट बॉडी होता है उनका, और फिर ब्लड सक करने के बाद उनका जो एब्डोमेन है, यू कैन जस्ट ऑब्जर्व इट इज़ स्वेलन अप. और ब्लड सक करने के पहले वो एक्टिव होते हैं, और ब्लड सक करने के बाद दे बिकम स्लगिश इन सेंस दे बिकम lazy, we can say. Okay, now let us talk about the damage causing nature. So they just cause damage, not स्ट्रक्चरल डैमेज, वी कैन से. स्ट्रक्चरल डैमेज वो ज़्यादा कॉज नहीं करते हैं, बट समटाइम्स स्ट्रक्चरल डैमेज ऑल्सो. सो वो बेसिकली नाइट टाइम में ह्यूमन बींग्स को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. एट द टाइम ऑफ स्लीपिंग दे जस्ट गेट इनटू द मैट्रेसेस एंड दे जस्ट बाइट और suck the blood with their biting and piercing and sucking type of mouth parts. After that, we can say they just spread a odor which I just said. They are having a special different odor, and which is not that much good. So you can just see that they are having an offensive odor which may just cause a bad smell. And after the biting, they just cause allergic reactions. Sometimes they cause rashes, and they also just act as a vector for number of diseases, like they spread kala azar, they spread plague also. They just spread plague, and they spread tuberculosis, they spread typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, etc. Whatever diseases are related to the blood, they spread that too. So blood related diseases are also spreaded by them. बेसिकली वो स्ट्रक्चरल डैमेज में ये डैमेज कॉज कर सकते हैं, दैट दे कैन जस्ट डैमेज द क्लोथिंग्स एज लाइक carpet beetles. So they are also causing structural damage too. Now let's go for the safety measures, or we can say the control measures for the bed bugs. So basic thing is that to keep the cleanliness, to just clean the mattresses where you can just find the infestation there. Wherever the chances of finding the infestation, you can just clean that place. And you can just if you think that you have a infestation in clothing, then you can just wash these clothes into the hot water. Washing the clothes with hot water can reduce the most number of that infestation. और बहुत सारे दूसरे केमिकल्स वगैरह भी है विच यू कैन जस्ट फ्यूमिगेट, like HCN is there, so as to fumigate. HCN is there, you can just fumigate the HCN so as to get rid of from the bed bugs. Methyl bromide is there, methyl bromide use कर सकते हो आप. And methyl दैट फॉर्मेट इज़ देयर, तो मिथिल ब्रोमाइड या मिथिल फॉर्मेट यूज़ कर सकते हो. यू कैन जस्ट इवन स्प्रे द केरोसिन. Kerosene oil can also be a helpful thing for to get rid of from. जब अगर फर्नीचर वगैरह पे इन्फेस्टेशन है, so you can just polish that, or you can just spray that furniture with kerosene or एनी क्रूड ऑयल इमर्शन. कोई भी क्रूड ऑयल का इमर्शन कर सकते हो, और बेंजीन इमर्शन यूज़ कर सकते हो. यू कैन जस्ट यूज़ दैट, बट वो आपको रिपीट करना पड़ेगा आफ्टर और विद इन 3 to 4 days रिपीटेडली. वो 3 to 4 days के बाद कुछ रिपीट करना पड़ेगा. एंड देर इज़ वन मोर थिंग दैट यू कैन डू, कि जैसे मैंने बोला कि फर्नीचर रिलेटेड जो है, सो वहाँ पे आप बॉइलिंग वाटर को भी उसके ऊपर पोर कर सकते हो. यू कैन जस्ट वॉश योर फर्नीचर विद द बॉइल्ड वाटर. एंड वॉश नहीं करना है, डालना है सिर्फ उसके ऊपर. एंड जो इंसेक्टिसाइड्स है, मार्केट में बहुत सारे इंसेक्टिसाइड्स अवेलेबल होते हैं, जस्ट मैंने जैसे कारपेट बीटर के लिए भी बताया था. और स्प्रेइंग कर सकते हो आप एनी डस्ट दैट डैम्प प्लेसेस जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि वहाँ पे इन्फेस्टेशन है या इन्फेस्टेशन हो सकता है. सो यू कैन जस्ट स्प्रे दोज प्लेसेस विथ नंबर ऑफ spraying chemicals like YBHC you can use so as to control them. And you can use 5% of toxaphene. 5% of toxaphene you can also use. And you can even use 1 to 2% of chlordane. You might have observed that chlordane, methionine and parathene are mostly common. HCN fumigation, DDT are mostly common chemicals which are used for or to control the infestation of household pests. These can be also used, these products can be also used, that Terminator and bedbug जो मैंने बोला था, bedbug controller या bedbug fighter is there. एक और है that is tick 20 is there. So one can use these chemicals or market products also so as to get rid of from the bed bugs. So here our another household pest, that is bed bug, also ends up. Hopefully you have understood it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.